Jimmy is a factory worker who is required to work from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. According to him, he works as a repairman technician in the factory. Since his work does not pay much, he sometimes requests his supervisor to give him overtime work. But his supervisor kept on telling him that the company does not require overtime work in order to be more cost efficient. Last week, 15 minutes before his off at 10 p.m., he was required to extend his services until the production for that particular day has been completed. He wants to know whether the company can compel him to render overtime work when his supervisor repeatedly told him that overtime work is not encouraged. Jimmy, according to Article 89 of the Labor Code, any employee may be required by the employer to perform overtime work in any of the following cases. First, when the country is at war or when any other national or local emergency has been declared by the National Assembly or the Chief Executive. Second, when it is necessary to prevent loss of life or property or in case of imminent danger to public safety due to an actual or impending emergency in the locality caused by serious accidents, fire, flood, typhoon, earthquake, epidemic, or other disaster or calamity. Third, when there is an urgent work to be performed on machines, installations, or equipment in order to avoid serious loss or damage to the employer or some other cause of similar nature. Fourth, when the work is necessary to prevent loss or damage to perishable goods. And fifth, where the completion or continuation of the work started before the 8th hour is necessary to prevent serious obstruction or prejudice to the business or operations of the employer. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptvbatas@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.